Hi, this is Shankar. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about attributes from object-oriented analysis and design. Let us see what is attributes. An attribute is a logical data value of an object. Attributes are used to describe any object or concept or anything. Attributes are also defined as characteristics property of an object. Let's see some example about the attributes. So here you consider a class called student. The attributes for the students are name, register number, and address. These are all we consider attributes of and the class for a student. Next, UML attribute notations. Attributes are shown in the second compartment of the class box. So already we know the general syntax or template for the class diagram. There are three rectangular boxes are there. From the first part is compartment, we are representing class name. Second compartment is attribute, and third is method. So we are talking about only attributes. So the second compartment is reserved for registering the attributes for the given class, right? And their type and other informations may optionally be shown. So here they have given a class name called sale, and here date time is one attribute and another one is total money. So here the attribute is date time and total money. So here the money is derived attribute. More notations about the attributes are the full syntax for an attribute of UML is visibility name, type, multiplicity equal to default property string. Visibility is maybe a private public protected which is represented with the symbolic way like plus, minus, or hash. And type multiplicity is data type and is equal to some default values. It is require optional can give and the property string. So example is given in the right-hand notation. So initially we have the class called sale. So it has two properties, date type and total. So you just see here after colon it has something that is called actually data type, right? And here it has only a minus, that is hyphen. So the hyphens are only private visibility attributes. Second, we have a class called math. So here we have given plus symbol for pi. Pi is a variable name. It is plus symbol means public visibility, and the variable name is, that is attribute name is real, is equal to default value is 3.14. Within the bracket, property is given, that is read only. Our next class is person. So here the attributes are first name, middle name, and last name, right? And optional value is also given for middle name, that is 0 to 1. And next, derived attributes. Derived attribute can be determined from others. For example, here, the first diagram shows sale line item, records sale of item. So here each line item records separate item sale. For example, one to many package. Next, sale line item, that is a sale line item records the sale of one or many items. So here it has many items. So in this case, the sale line item should records the quantity, one or many record sale, in the sense we need to know what is quantity for the sale line item. So that quantity will records the number of items is sale for the particular product. That's why here we are having quantity. That slash quantity is identified as derived attribute. And next one is valid attribute types. The attributes in your domain model should preferably be simple attribute or data types. Very common attribute data types are Boolean, date, numbers, string, and time. Such other common data types are including like address, colors, geometric shapes like points, lines, rectangles, squares, and so on, phone numbers, social security numbers, universal product codes, SKU, zip codes or postal codes, and enumerated types. So the example is also given, worst and better. For worst, it is cashier, name, and current register. It is not the current register is not a simple attribute. For better, we can have cashier with name. The cashier may uses the register number. No attribute as foreign keys. Attribute should not be used to relate the conceptual classes in the domain model. The most common violation of this principle is to add a kind of foreign key attribute. So for that case also, which is worst and better is given for the same example with cashier. Thank you for watching this video lecture. Thank you all.